Bam. They got good hearing. They see well. You ain't camera shy, are you? Where you going, baby? It's not time to feed y'all just yet. They ready to eat, boy. They ain't playing.
Hi, big head.
Pull them out one by one, baby. Let's pull them up so we get so the people can get a better view of them. Baby, pick them up. Pick them up so I can.
Oh, the same one?
Yeah, whoever. Just pick them up so the people can see them. We trying to let them see the puppies. Turn around, let me see the backside. Let me see that chest area. Yeah. Thick. Thick. 33 days old. And he is a cryptic merle. Turn around and see if they can see his colors. Yeah. Can y'all see it? Yeah. Nice. Real nice. Look at them paws on him. Let's go to the next one, baby.
That's the girl.
And that's the girl. The girls are reserved already. I have 6 boys. They're gonna go fast. You better jump on them. A lot of people been inquiring about the boys.
I think I had him already. Or did I? No, I
Don't
didn't.
make no difference. You can show them off again. Look at them paws on you. Look at that chest. Nice long tail. Don't know about him yet. I gotta have some of these puppies. I'm gonna have the puppies embarked just to see if they're a cryptic merle.
Wait. Yeah, that's the boy.
That's a boy. He is available. Look. Look at them eyes. Nice blue eyes. Yeah, I was gonna tell just like their fathers. Man, their father got some beautiful eyes. Their mother do too. Excuse me.
Get that one over there. Let's do it. I need to grab him. Okay, grab him.
Show that chest off. Yes, he is available. XL American Bullies. Could y'all do me a favor and hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment. Let me know which one was your favorite puppy. We taking deposits right now. So if you see something you like, DM us or hit us on 414-312-2986. You can text or call. Oh yeah, they going back to sleep.
Daddy, is that the baby puppy?
Yes, baby. All of them the baby puppies.
No, it's a puppy in there.
Yeah. Go back, Lele. I'm trying to get a video in, baby.
Yeah, baby.
That's the baby doggy.
They already got their first shots.
First shots?
Yes, I did that a couple of days ago. I have that on record.
The puppy
They
shot
will be going to the veterinarian to be health tested. You have to let us know if you want your dog ears cropped or not. You know, that changes the price.
That is my baby doggy. No, this is mine.
But if you see something you like,
It's mine.
get in contact with us. DM, or once again, you can text. I left the number in the middle, probably, of the video. But we really appreciate y'all, Bully family. And we'll see y'all in the next video. To the next scene.